Ulend is a collaborative solution that will help you address fugitive emissions from your operations before they become a regulatory, safety, or public health threat. Ulend provides oil and gas producers with an infrared leak detection and repair camera free of charge. The program is aimed at helping the Uinta Basin's small to medium-sized producers who might not be able to afford this leak detection equipment on their own. Did you know that VOC emissions from leaking oil and gas equipment are a major contributor to elevated ozone levels in the Uinta Basin? These fugitive emissions aren't just an environmental problem. Lost revenue through lost product directly affects your bottom line. What's more, fugitive emissions can result in fees and legal enforcement actions. Administrations across the country are increasing the pressure on producers to reduce emissions. Ulend offers small to medium-sized producers the opportunity to use an IR camera free of charge to check for leaks and make repairs. Researchers in the Uinta Basin found that almost 40% of the more than 400 well pads they visited had some type of VOC leak. 74% of the fugitive emissions detected appeared to come from either the thief hatch or pressure relief valves, both relatively easy to repair. While these are not the only sources of VOC emissions in the basin, they are a significant contributor to elevated ozone levels. Ulend is a practical solution that will help you operate more efficiently and safely. Contact the Utah Department of Environmental Quality today to learn more about how Ulend can help you reduce emissions and keep your product from vanishing into thin air.